Hi Papa, a very good evening. First of all, here's wishing you a very happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day, Daddy. Words will always be short to describe about you or talk about you because we share a memory lane of around 28 years, Daddy. But yes, I would like to take this opportunity and like to thank and appreciate you for you have been there for me always and forever, Daddy. Be it my 12th problems, everyone knows that how I was dealing with during in 12th standard. Have you managed right from contacting the teachers to the consultants to calling upon and obviously taking help of Faiba, Fua, and she and everyone, Rinku Didi, to managing my situation because it was so bad. You know about it. You were there like a month's time and I didn't allow you to go out of the house. But you were there with me. Always. You didn't say a word that beta I cannot be there. I have an important work. You practically made your lab at home, Daddy. So yes, your struggle and your sacrifice towards me have always been incredible. Then talking about wedding, you know that always I had this dream of having a big fat Indian wedding. And since my baby days, my childhood days, I used to tell you that about how I want to get married, how it has to be, the fairy gown, the princess tails, about the dream wedding, my dream groom. Thank you, Daddy, for giving me my dream groom who's proven to be the best husband. So yes, Daddy, that is one of the best gifts you have given me in my life, to let me choose my life partner. That is Abhishek, and he is a gem of a person. Today I will vouch and tell you that, Daddy. Thank you so much for the best dream wedding. Also, Daddy, I want to thank you in terms of my MD. I have been facing so many problems lately, but you were always there to guide me. What you told me, you were like, beta, Daddy, this is there, this duty is there. And duty che papa, log avrite kare che papa, they are doing this, they are doing that. You were of the opinion, beta, don't worry, I will come there as an honorary person. I will work for you, beta. The current situation I can never forget, which I just spoke to you about a phlebotomy of a COVID patient, and I just discussed the case with you. And your response to me was that, beta, don't worry, મને PPE kit આપી દેજે, હું કાલે જઈશ અને હું કાલે જઈને phlebotomy કરી આવીશ. So that is your spirit, that is your courage, that is how brave you are, that is how wonderful a doctor you are, a COVID warrior. I am proud of you, Daddy. And last but definitely not the least, I would like to tell you and dedicate you a line that is, मेरी पहचान है मेरे पापा, मेरी हर खुशी है मेरे पापा, जो लाखों में एक है मेरी जान है मेरे पापा. Daddy, I mean it. I love you. I may have committed hundreds and hundreds of mistakes so far in my life and may still continue doing so. But never let your hand and your shadow go away from us because we love you. I'm sorry for whatever mistakes I've done so far and I love you. Have a blessed birthday. Mwah! Love you. Also, Papa, one more thing which is most important that you have given to me as a biggest gift in my life. They always say that a father, પપ્પા સૌથી મોટી દેણ અને સૌથી મોટી ગિફ્ટ જે છોકરીને આપી શકે એ છે થ્રુ એજ્યુકેશન, અને એ તમે મને આપી પપ્પા. Right from getting me biotech, then MBBS, now soon I'll be MD. That is all because of you, your efforts, your vision, and that is the biggest gift any father can gift to her daughter. So thank you પપ્પા. અને બીજું કે કેને આપણા પરિવારમાં અને આપણા ફેમિલીમાં you are a toughened glass. કે ગ્લાસ એ મુશ્કેલમાં, ટફન્ડ ગ્લાસ એ મુશ્કેલમાં તૂટે પણ પોતાના પરિવારને ન તૂટવા દે. That is Dr. Mukesh Udani for our family. Love you, Papa.